What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Max, and today it is a lovely, sunny, cold winter's day. We just had some snow a couple days ago, and well, we're here with Martijn's family car and our shop's demo car and test car, the M340i G21, because we wanted to do a little update video on the current state, all the parts that we have on this car now and that we also sell in our store autotopnl.shop. Go check it out if you need anything for your car. We mainly sell BMW tuning parts, performance parts, and well, this car has a lot of stuff on it and it is absolutely glorious. As I said, it's Martijn's family car, so it is super dirty. It is being used and abused very well by his kids, his dogs, his wife and himself, and well, I just love that. It's like a zero fucks given M340i with all the right mods, and that is just amazing. So it's a sapphire black car with yellow DRLs also available in our shop. We've got all the cerium grey accents, and then these are Martijn's winter wheels with around that Pirelli Soto Zero winter tires. They are very slippery, I noticed, so you can really slide this car around right now, like on a damp surface with these tires. It's really easy. It's like driving on ice. It's perfect. Behind that we've got the M Performance big brake kit also available, KW V3 suspension. We've got the facelift mirror conversion, so the cerium grey with the M mirror basically, which is a nice little upgrade as well. So as you can see, it's nice and dirty. It is used well. You can even see like the dog noses on the rear windows there. Exhaust wise, this car now is OPF in place and just a 200 cell downpipe by Aulitsky. We used to run a mid pipe on this car, an OPF delete mid pipe, but we now have a like a TÜV ECE EU certified setup on this, which is very nice, and that means that it's completely street legal in Europe with this Aulitsky 200 cell downpipe. And then we've got the Eventuri carbon intake, which is absolutely gorgeous, and then the Evolution M carbon engine cover, Evolution M carbon ECU cover as well. We've got an MHD stage 1 on it right now for the engine, and an XHP tune for the gearbox, the ZF 8-speed, which is just absolutely amazing. So this really is a demo car for us because it has so many parts on it, and we also use this car to test parts, to test fit them when we get them, but also to drive it for a while to see if it works, how it works, before we sell it, because we really want to test everything out before it goes out. And this is our new addition, the B58 M340i carbon engine cover, but I really like it. The fit is super good, and the carbon actually matches the Eventuri carbon really well. So yeah, nice addition there. I didn't see this yet, so yeah, nice little surprise. And we're going to head out for a drive. So inside we also have the M Performance carbon fiber interior upgrade kit, so with a bit of Alcantara on the knee pads here, and this is all like this bare carbon, which is nice because you can actually feel the structure of it, which is cool. Let's start her up in sport mode. This thing sounds proper, even without that mid pipe with OPF delete. Just that Aulitsky 200 cell downpipe just changes so much already. It is a really great mod. So gearbox in sport as well, and then traction control off. And well, I think I've said this before, but the driving experience of this car with these mods is just so different than stock. It's an amazing car stock, but it doesn't really offer the dynamic rewarding driving experience that you might be expecting when you buy an M340i. It's mainly a really good fast daily that sounds good and is practical. It does everything like 8/10. But if you like dial up the dynamic part of it, it just completely transforms, and it's an absolute beast, this car. It really is. It's a lot more aggressive. It responds to the throttle a lot better with that MHD tune. It sounds amazing. It really does. Let's open this. And this is street legal, so that means, you know, anyone, anywhere can run this without trouble, and it sounds much better than stock. It really does. XHP software for the gearbox means that you've got super quick shifts. You can actually hear that when I shift manually. You can hear that the shift is so much quicker than stock. And you can feel it through the drivetrain as well, which is nice. Little bang on the shift as well. It's such a good car. I'm honestly like impressed every time I drive this car, because I hardly ever drive it. This is Martijn's family car, so it's not at the shop all of the time. And I kind of drive it a couple times a year, and it's in different shapes and it has different mods every time, and every time I'm like, oh man, this is so good. It's practically an unbeatable package if you need a fast daily. The fact that Martijn has owned this car for 2.5 years now, I think, is a testament to that, because he's been looking for a while now, but he just can't find anything that that he thinks is better than this, which I think says a lot. I don't think he's going to sell it. Oh, nice shift there. Now we are on those winter tires, of course, so they are limited. So we are as well. It sounds really deep, like low revs. It sounds a lot deeper than stock, which is nice as well. Okay, full throttle. So that's 100 to 200 already. Oh, it revs out so well. That's 230, so 100 to 200 today. We actually did a 9.4 with a stage 1 tune, which is quite quick. That's also because it's 1.5 degrees right now. So yeah, turbo engines really love that. But it is so quick. It picks up well, and it just it downshifts quickly. Yeah. There we go. Look at that. It just goes. It's a really big difference compared to stock, because the sound of it kind of, it always stays the same basically. It's a nice 6-cylinder sound, but there's very little variation in it. And with this downpipe, you kind of have a difference of that lower sound at low RPMs, and then kind of a nice crescendo at the higher RPMs of that beautiful B58, one of the best engines BMW has ever made, if not the best engine. Oh, and it's so moddable as well. I mean, the entire car is very moddable, if that's a word. If it's not, it should be. See, it's very slidey. So yeah, it's a great platform to modify, because there are a lot of parts for it, and yeah, we kind of cherry pick the parts that we feel really improve the car. And as I said, we test it, we do stuff like this, we take it to the Autobahn, we push it, we make sure that the car gets hot and has to like work, and that's when you find out if there are any issues. And stuff like that. So yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a good Wednesday today, or Tuesday actually, to do this. Beautiful weather. Look at it go. Quick shift. And it just keeps going. It's so impressive. So all these parts are available in our shop. If you have an M340i and you want to modify it, or if you have a different BMW, go check it out. Maybe we have something for you as well. Thanks for watching. I'm going to do some more testing, and I hope to see you at the next video. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video or this playlist. See you at the next one. Bye guys.